Hello, we're here at Hilda Wharf in Aylesbury today. We're carrying out a scrape and treat on multiple blocks of flats. There's 4 big blocks of flats here today that we're carrying out a scrape and treat on. We're going to commence with the scraping, get through as much of that as we can, and then add the treatment to it. We're going to remove about 90% to 95% of the roof moss before we put the bio treatment on there. And then we'll come back and take a look at it in sort of 8 to 12 months time to see how well the chemicals take and hold. And if it's brought the tiles back to their original colour. We've got Paul and Craig on here today. It's going to take us a while to get the work done, but we'll crack on.